Platinum against US dollar this week has dropped in the value, and we can see what has happened. The price formed several bearish candles and also formed this bearish breakout below 911.78, and on a Tuesday the price has formed this bullish candle indicating false bearish breakout and further rise in value in the opposite direction. The price continued to rise in value, we can see on the Friday, but the price returned back down and closed the Friday day as an indecision candle. Weekly, this is a bearish candle formed here, continuation of this bearish momentum formed in the previous week, and currently where the price is stoppage is just right here at small support level. On the monthly time frame, this looks as a candle, bullish candle with a very large wick on the upper side, and we'll see how this month closes. We have 2 more days to see will the price hold. Will the price still hold above 891.55, and will the price continue to rise in value? So this is something that we need to watch, but based on the technical analysis, what I can see after the bearish breakout has happened 2 months ago, the previous month has cancelled this bearish breakout, indicating further rise in the opposite direction. And this has happened, we can see that. But what is very important, the price will turn back down. So for any conclusions where the price could go for the next month, we need to see lower time frames, because currently what I can see on the market, this is unclear for me where I could expect for the next month. But what I can see here, the very important level below that is this one here, 900, which is a very important support level. On the weekly time frame, this is indication for the further decline down, at least what I can see it here on the weekly time frame, but we will see what happens. There is also a possibility that the price returns back up and then continues to fall down. For any conclusions, for at least in the long term, what I can see here, I am expecting to see the price going down, reaching an area around here, 900, which is a very important level, and then we'll see what happens. And the daily time frame, this shows much more better, because we are currently in the downtrend with this bullish candle indicating further rise in value. So there is a possibility for the next week, and this is something that I'm expecting, that the price reaches this area here, the start of this supply zone, and then continues to fall down. But this is something that I will watch on the daily basis. If there is any pin bar or engulfing candle showing here that the price could return back down, or here indicating further rise in value, making a bearish breakout or bullish breakout, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.